Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. So today we are going to analyze the newspaper directly from the newspaper itself. That means I'm not going to tell you what to write, what not to write the paragraphs, the content etc. I'm going to help you out in reading the newspaper today. आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं, न्यूज़पेपर को पढ़ना कैसे है वो सीखने वाले हैं, right? So I know most of you are beginners, you have just started your preparation, so it becomes very tough to identify what to study, what not to study, how to read it, how to make notes etc. So I'm here to help you out in that respect. So this is today's newspaper, 9 September 2020, the Hindu newspaper, and on page number 1 you can see PLA fired shots in the air, says India. Now this news is important for your GS paper 3, right? Internal security, international security and GS paper 2. ये GS paper 3 और GS paper 2 के लिए काफी important है, right? Security, internal security, GS paper 3 and GS paper 2 international relations, right? Between India and China. So first, whenever you open up your newspaper now, you have to mark it on the newspaper itself. कि कौन सा, you have to filter the news, right? You have to mark in the newspaper which news is important for which paper and then you have to study it. So first news, this you have to study for GS paper 2, right? ये तो आपको GS paper 2 के लिए पढ़ना ही पढ़ना है. Now what in this news? Now there are fresh tensions between India and China on the south bank of Pangong Tso Lake. Right over here you can see, hours after Chinese army claimed that Indian troops opened the fire along disputed line of actual control in Ladakh, Indian army stated that it was actually Chinese troops that had fired. So basically both of them are blaming each other, right? The Indian army and Chinese army, both of them are blaming each other that they have fired, right? हमने नहीं, उन्होंने firing शुरू करी है. So here first thing you need to remember is what is line of actual control. पहली चीज जो आपको याद रखनी है वो ये है कि ये line of actual control होता क्या है, right? So first point, you have to study line of actual control for prelims, and then the news says following fresh tensions on the south bank of Pangong Tso Lake. So you have to remember the location of Pangong Tso Lake. We have discussed all of this in our last class. 7th September, 6th September की जो class है हमने उसमें discuss किया on the 7th September class, right? So you can revisit that class. So two things you need to remember. Not the entire issue is important. Only these two things: line of actual control and the south bank of Pangong Tso Lake. Pangong Tso Lake is important for prelims, right? Then the next important point is Mukpari Peak. Where is it located? It is in Ladakh. ये point prelims के लिए important है because geographical locations, questions on geographical locations are asked a lot, right? Between India and China, this Mukpari Leak is also very controversial. So basically the boundary issues between India and China, they have been in existence since 1975. This is important for GS paper 2. ठीक है, तो ऐसे आपको न्यूज को पढ़ना है. लाइक दिस यू हैव टू स्टडी. नाउ द सेकंड न्यूज सेज 5 मिसिंग यूथ फाउंड इन चाइना. नो, इट इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यूपीएससी. ये यूपीएससी के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, राइट? नाउ मूविंग ऑन, आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेट्स सी एनी अदर न्यूज विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट. डिजिटल डिवाइड शैडोज पोस्ट पैंडेमिक एजुकेशन. नाउ लेट्स सी इफ दिस न्यूज इज इंपॉर्टेंट. देखते हैं कि ये न्यूज इंपॉर्टेंट है या नहीं. यस, दिस न्यूज इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एसे पेपर. ये आपके एसे पेपर के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. डिजिटल डिवाइड शैडोज पोस्ट पैंडेमिक एजुकेशन. सो एनएसओ रिपोर्ट has been highlighted, plus also it is important for education, right? That means GS पेपर 2. ठीक है, GS पेपर 2 में एजुकेशन टॉपिक है, उसके लिए भी ये न्यूज बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट? एजुकेशन GS पेपर 2 एंड एसे पेपर, 2 पेपर इसमें कवर्ड हो गए. सो व्हाट इज दिस न्यूज? Now NSO report has been published. What is NSO? NSO क्या है? Underline this. Question on NSO can be asked in prelims. It is, write it down, National Statistical. It is National Statistical Organization. That is NSO. इसको हम बोलते हैं NSO, right? And NSO has released the findings of the survey on household social consumption, right? तो किसके ऊपर सर्वे हुआ है? Household social consumption के ऊपर, right? तो इस पॉइंट को लिख लेना है, सर्वे ऑन हाउसहोल्ड सोशल कंजम्पशन. ठीक है, इसके ऊपर सर्वे हुआ है. किसने किया है सर्वे? हु हैज डन दी सर्वे? इट इज एनएसओ. ठीक है, एंड इट इज रिलेटेड टू एजुकेशन. नाउ द रिपोर्ट शोज just how stark the digital divide is across the states, cities and villages. Digital division कितना ज्यादा है, डिजिटल डिस्पैरिटी कितनी ज्यादा है, यानी कि गांव के बच्चे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस नहीं देख पा रहे. द स्टूडेंट्स लिविंग इन सिटीज दे कैन एक्सेस द ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, स्टूडेंट्स लिविंग इन विलेजेस they cannot, right? So this is the digital divide it is talking about. Okay, so schools across the country have now been closed for 6 months due to COVID-19, but this means vastly different things for different people. For the child in urban Himachal Pradesh, where internet penetration is higher than 70%, it is likely means schooling, online schooling, Zoom classes will be conducted. But children in rural Odisha, where digital literacy is less than 6% and internet facilities are also not there, then the question of digital classes is out of question. So recent report on the latest NSO survey shows just how stark the digital divide is. Right. Now across India, only 1 in 10 households have a computer, whether a desktop, laptop or tablet. However, almost a quarter of all homes have internet facilities accessed via a fixed or mobile networking using any device, including the smartphones. Please write it down. ये आपको लिखना है point. ये prelims के लिए important है. The survey results are important for prelims. Okay. Most of these internet-enabled homes are located in cities where 42% have internet access. Even in cities, 42% people have internet access. In rural India, however, only 15% are connected to the internet. Again, important point. National capital has highest internet access with 55% of homes having such facilities. Himachal and Kerala are the only other states which have more than half of all the households under internet connection. Again, very important for prelims. राइट तो ये जो आपके फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स है ना, इसको आपको नोट डाउन करना है, ये प्रीलिम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है. नाउ ऑन पेज नंबर 6, वो तो पेज नंबर 1 था, लास्ट वी स्टडीड पेज 1. नाउ ऑन पेज 6 यू विल फाइंड दिस एडिटोरियल related to GS paper 2 polity and governance. Case for down to earth governance. This is very important editorial, बहुत ही important editorial है. This article discusses the challenges. Please write it down. This article it discusses the challenges in democratic form of government, in democratic form of governance, and it also suggests ways to strengthen the democratic governance structure in India. Okay, it focuses on strong local governance, right, which is not present in our country right now. Plus also it highlights money as a factor in elections. Around the world, electoral democracies are affected by the issue of funding political parties and elections. Right? तो ये पैराग्राफ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Money has become an important factor deciding the winnability of the candidates. Again, this line is very important. Money is required to win elections legitimately even when people are not bribed to vote. So it is illegitimate है ये. ठीक है. Then the next point that it, you can say highlights is quality of elected representatives, right? The representatives who are elected, उनकी quality क्या है? What is the quality of those elected representatives? Despite having been elected based on the principle of universal adult franchise and enjoying popular mandate, quality of the elected representatives is also a cause of concern because of increasing criminalization of politics, right? Clear? So you need to study this particular article. It's very important. It also highlights the role of strengthening local governance in bringing down the criminalization. Right? यहाँ पर इन्होंने solutions दिए हैं कि इन problems को हम कैसे solve कर सकते हैं. So please go through this particular article. इस article को एक बार जरूर पढ़ लेना. Now the second article that you need to study is what is in a NAM and India's alignment. Right, so again this is important for GS paper 2 international relations. ये आपके GS paper 2 international relations के लिए important है because India's external affairs minister S Jaishankar recently he said that non-alignment was a concept of relevance in a specific era and particular context, though the independence of action enshrined in it remains a factor of continuity in India's foreign policy. So this statement seems to strengthen the growing perception that India has abandoned the policy of non-alignment. So you have to study what is non-alignment policy, right, and what is non-alignment movement. NAP or NAM क्या है, ये दोनों पढ़ने हैं. It is explained in this particular paragraph. Then what is the dynamics of foreign policy, what is Cold War, Cold World era, etc. तो ये पॉइंट्स आपको इस पर्टिकुलर एडिटोरियल में पढ़ना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. Now on page number 11 you will find this particular news important for GS paper 2 health. ये हेल्थ के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. पेज 11 पे है ये न्यूज. इट इज ऑन पेज 11. 40% चिल्ड्रन नॉट फुली वैक्सीनेटेड. NSO रिपोर्ट. नाउ हेल्थ इन इंडिया रिपोर्ट हैज बीन पब्लिश्ड. प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. दिस इज हेल्थ इन इंडिया रिपोर्ट. इस रिपोर्ट का नाम है हेल्थ इन इंडिया रिपोर्ट. Right, published by NSO, National Statistical Organization. It is based on the 75th round of NSO survey. राइट. सो हियर की फाइंडिंग्स आपको पढ़ने हैं. इस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक में भी आपको रिपोर्ट के की फाइंडिंग्स पढ़ने हैं, बिकॉज इन 2018 की फाइंडिंग्स ऑफ NSO रिपोर्ट वर आस्क्ड. राइट, स्टार्टिंग के 2-3 क्वेश्चन थे प्रीलिम्स 2018 या 19 के, जिसमें NSO रिपोर्ट की फाइंडिंग्स पूछी गई थी. अक्रॉस द कंट्री ओनली 59.2% ऑफ चिल्ड्रन अंडर 5 years आर फुली इम्यूनाइज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू NSO रिपोर्ट. अंडरलाइन दिस. Full immunization, what is it? They can ask you this question also in prelims. It means that a child receives cocktail of 8 vaccine doses in the first year of life, right? So please note down this particular news and please ये जो box है ना, इसको आप cut out करके अपने register में लगा सकते हो, right? So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's class. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की क्लास अच्छी लगी हो, right? So this was this is how you have to make notes from the Hindu newspaper, and this is how you have to filter the entire newspaper. Okay. Thank you everyone.